By the end of this video, you will know how to add a billable expense in QuickBooks Online. From your QuickBooks Online dashboard, start by clicking the plus Create button. This opens the menu where you can enter different types of transactions. From that list, select Expense to open a new expense form. In the Payee field, choose the person or company you paid for this expense. This should match the vendor or provider connected to the transaction you are entering. After that, go to the Payment Account field and select the account used to make the payment. Depending on how the expense was paid, this could be a bank account, a credit card account, or another payment account in your chart of accounts. Make sure the account matches the actual source of the payment before you continue. Next, enter the payment date. Use the date the expense was paid, then select the appropriate payment method from the available options on the form. This keeps the transaction record aligned with how the payment was made. Under Category Details, choose the expense account that applies to the transaction. This is where you assign the purchase to the correct category in your books. Once that is selected, enter a description for the expense. Use whatever wording fits the transaction shown in your records. Then enter the amount for the expense in the Amount field. To mark the transaction as something you plan to charge back to a customer, select the Billable checkbox for that expense line. When that box is checked, QuickBooks Online knows the expense can be linked to a customer for billing purposes later. After that, move to the Customer or Project field and select the customer who will be billed for the expense. If your company uses projects, select the appropriate customer or project shown in the list. This step connects the billable expense to the right client record. Continue by entering any other billable expense information that appears on the form and applies to the transaction you are recording. The details available can vary based on your QuickBooks Online settings, so review the visible fields and complete the ones relevant to the expense. Before saving, review the expense details carefully. Check the payee, payment account, date, payment method, category, description, amount, billable status, and customer or project selection. This is the point where you can catch any mismatch before the transaction is added to your books. When everything looks correct, click Save and close to record the expense and return to your previous screen. Thanks for watching. Your billable expense is now added in QuickBooks Online.